Despite constant pressure from the outside world, Sigma males are an extremely independent and intelligent breed of man who do not conform to societal norms. Therefore, how is it possible that these highly intelligent men, who are highly sought after and desired by women, still struggle to find love? It's not so much that Sigma men struggle to attract women as it is that they are very picky when it comes to choosing a romantic partner. In this video, we will discuss the real reason why Sigma males struggle with love, the sad truth. Number 1. They are totally committed to going after their objectives. Sigma males are renowned for their steadfast focus on their objectives and personal growth, which frequently comes before their search for love. They are constantly pushing their limits and looking for new challenges because they have a strong desire to succeed in every aspect of their lives. While this unwavering dedication to excellence can result in extraordinary success in both their professional and personal lives. Additionally, it might unintentionally make it harder to find a romantic match. They might accidentally overlook the value of developing and upholding meaningful relationships as they devote their time and effort to pursuing their goals. Simply put, many of the most intelligent Sigma males spend their valuable time building themselves and their projects up higher and higher every day instead of trying to find love. Number 2. They find it challenging to be visible. Highly intelligent Sigma males may have trouble finding love because they find it difficult to express their more private emotions. Since they are so intensely private, they frequently find it difficult to express their feelings out loud because they don't want to expose any possible weaknesses. It may be difficult for many women to truly understand and connect with them on a deeper level because of their reserved approach to expressing their emotions, which may put a barrier between them and their potential romantic partners. The inability to be frank and vulnerable may prevent the emergence of the intimacy and trust necessary for a strong, long-lasting relationship. Because of this, Sigma men might find themselves looking for a romantic relationship, but unable to overcome the self-imposed barriers that keep them from fully embracing the emotional complications of a relationship. In basic terms, trust is an essential component in creating lasting connections with women. And Sigma men don't just give their trust away. It has to be earned. Number 3. They have trouble connecting with regular women. Modern women can have values and priorities that differ greatly from those of Sigma males, making it difficult for them to relate with these so-called modern women. With their emphasis on authenticity, loyalty, and real connections, Sigma males stand out in a world where superficial behavior, disloyalty, and abuse are all too common. These differences can act as a barrier, making it challenging for them to find a romantic partner who understands their unique way of life and shares their worldview. Sigma males dislike the need to seek out unimportant validation from others, whereas many contemporary women have a tendency to care excessively about their online persona and facade. As a result, because they avoid having superficial relationships that do not reflect their core values, Sigma men may feel excluded from the dating process. Number 4. They frequently have serious problems. Due to their propensity for essential thinking, intelligent Sigma males frequently experience difficulties finding love. They are highly analytical, and their exploration of the deeper complexities of reality through abstract thought processes sometimes makes them feel cut off from the rest of society. Most modern women might prefer to stay clear of such self-aware thoughts, concentrating instead on more pressing issues and day-to-day concerns. Sigma males and potential romantic partners may have a wide gap in understanding and shared interests as a result of this disagreement and perspective, making it challenging for them to establish lasting emotional bonds. Because of this, these highly intelligent Sigma men may have a difficult time finding a partner who shares their curiosity and willingness to delve deeply into the many layers of existence. Number 5. They have extremely high expectations. The unrelenting search for excellence that is characteristic of Sigma males extends to the people they choose as romantic partners. They have such extremely high standards that they frequently struggle to find love. They look for women who share their values of independence, truthfulness, and personal development because they are highly intelligent people. Due to the fact that this kind of woman seems to be becoming increasingly rare in present-day society, it may be challenging for them to find someone who truly meets their expectations. Sigma men won't accept anything less than an extensively meaningful connection that fits with their particular lifestyle and values. They might consequently find themselves on a seemingly endless search for the ideal partner. The truth is that there are a ton of women who would fall for a Sigma. But because they can be so picky, Sigmas often end up in their comfortable haven of solitude, a place that they are familiar with and have grown to accept. A Sigma would prefer to live alone rather than with another person in order to fill the void. Number 6. They have specific passions that are fresh and distinctive. The interests and pursuits of Sigma men frequently depart from the norm, making it challenging for them to develop deeper connections with most women. Sharing common interests and passions in a romantic partnership is crucial for creating a strong bond and sustaining a sense of excitement and fulfillment. The ideal partner for a Sigma man is someone who actively participates in their unconventional interests while also appreciating and promoting them. Unfortunately, for Sigma men, finding a woman who shares these particular interests and can enhance their experience can prove to be a difficult task, which makes it challenging for them to develop long-lasting and fulfilling romantic relationships. Number 7. Their intelligence makes women uncomfortable. Since their high level of intelligence can be intimidating to some women, many of the smartest Sigma males frequently struggle to find a compatible romantic partner. Being exceptionally knowledgeable about various subjects and having a distinctive perspective on the world can cause an inequality between Sigma males and contemporary women. Due to their differences in intelligence, they may find it challenging to establish lasting relationships because it is difficult for them to find people who can truly understand and value their ideas. As they struggle with the intricacies and complexity of the Sigma male's intellect, some women may find that conversing with a highly intelligent Sigma male is overwhelming or even alienating. As a result, these men might find it difficult to find a romantic partner who can do both, engage with them on a similar level of understanding, and accept their intellectual abilities. When intelligence levels are out of sync, conversation tends to fizzle out, or at worst, become extremely dull. Number 8. Modern dating culture doesn't interest them. Sigma men frequently become dissatisfied with the modern dating scene because it is so focused on fragile connections and brief encounters. The high IQ Sigma men are thoughtful and analytical by nature, so the emphasis on swiping through profile pictures and passing judgment based on minimal data does not fit. In contrast to a cycle of pointless one-night stands and superficial interactions, these men prefer deeper connections, meaningful conversations, and genuine bonds, which can be challenging to find amidst the shallow and temporary nature of modern dating. The men of the Sigma fraternity seek connections based on empathy and emotional depth. Unfortunately, in a culture that increasingly values the superficial aspects of romance, this pursuit can be difficult. Being highly intelligent in general is not always a good thing. An additional burden results from increased intelligence. Greater awareness results from increased intelligence, and greater awareness frequently causes Sigma males to discover harsh realities, injustices, and disparities, which can lead to a gloomier outlook on life. As a result, intelligent individuals may become dejected and disheartened by the state of the world, leading them to take a more negative view of life and all of its complexities.